to kila bojule, la bojule. Welcome on board, okay? Yeah, shout out to handsome Ijesha, comedian actor Ijesha. Hey, I want you. Do you understand? I'm not your fan. Do you understand? But you are sweet. Mwah. Do you see that flat tummy? Yeah, omo to straight to. Yeah, welcome on board. It's your hand, girl. See that your hand. See your skin. See your party. Ah, yeah. So guys, there's been awuyewuye. I love you guys. But before I go to the awuyewuye simply means speculations all about, and I can no longer stand it. Anger cannot take it. I can stick it. Àti Yomi Fabiyi àti Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà, okay? I just want to encourage you guys. Ṣẹ́rí bínú tí yín ṣe rí lẹ́yìn ṣe ń ṣe, especially particularly actor Yomi Fabiyi. I've been noticing you. You guys, you are straightforward. Bínú tí yín ṣe rí lẹ́yìn ṣe ń ṣe. But mind the people you will be talking to. You will be explaining your endeavours here and there too. Because kì í ṣe gbogbo àgbàlagbà ló lọ́pọlọ. Do you understand? I used to say that thing. Do you understand? As an adult, you cannot come and start explaining things to me one way or the other, either positive or negative, that you are telling me how you are your concern about something. As an adult, I'm not expected to share it with anybody. Even most adults will be saying, yeah, àwọn ò yọ sọ tó bá gbọ́ bó ṣe wà yẹn, àwọn ò rán yà láyé. Me as an adult, I believe one thing, èmi ò ń ṣe rédíò tó máa ma gbé news kiri. I'm not social media. I'm not do you understand? Do you understand? Èmi ò, do you understand? But bínú tí yín ṣe rí, you believe pé ẹ̀ ń bá àgbàlagbà ẹgbẹ́ yín sọ̀rọ̀ pé kẹ́ẹ̀dẹ̀ máa wo lágbájá o, òun náà ṣe báyìí, òun náà, do you understand? But kì í ṣe gbogbo èèyàn, not everybody have this brain. Mind who you will be talking to. I'm not saying you guys are afraid of anybody. Okay, please mind who you will be talking to, because when any say or said transfer oríṣiríṣi etí, different kind of people will hear it, and because they have not hear your own side, people will conclude in their heart that that's Yomi Fabiyi sef, that Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà sef, ṣé bó ṣe wà outspoken. Me you guys are not outspoken. You believe you are talking to grown men or grown women that are mature like you people. Yes, let's talk about the awuyewuye. You see, ever since the our comedian Nollywood actor Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà issue with Princess started, etí tèmi ti kún, mo ti ń gbọ́ awuyewuye about particular person. But did you see me coming out? Then Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà people, those who supported Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà, that you believe that Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà is innocent, even the way you people go about it publicly, I first of all give kudos to una. Do you understand? Despite that, me, I'm not among those who supported that. But the way you people were like, I was, and at the end of the day, Baba Ìjẹ̀ṣà was granted victory. Especially those who you claim that you are an adult. Yes, I know your profession, that you are a mediarist. You've got platform. But we have people who also have platform on the radio ever since I was young. Wọ́n ń ṣe lẹ́jọ́ òṣì, wọ́n ń ṣe lẹ́jọ́ orí burúkú báyìí. Àwọn Ọlálọ́mí Àmọ̀lé, Àníkejì ẹ̀, Daddy Kọ́lá Olóòtú Ológbòjò that is doing his own on Galaxy TV. Our daddy, our daddy that used to do MC tó jẹ́ àgbàlagbà gbogbo wọn pátápátá. Wọ́n ń ṣe lẹ́jọ́ òfò ẹlẹ́jọ́ àdánù báyìí torí Ọlọ́run. They don't talk. That's why that they are mediarists. They don't use their platform to be doing other things. I don't know what people. Do you understand? It's outdated to be saying you people, you are just pulling stunts, that you just want attention. It's outdated to be saying that. Adult people. So I've been hearing this awuyewuye for no reason. Any little thing in the Nollywood, though, they will come and drag Baba Latin. So when our comedian actor Ìjẹ̀ṣà issue started with Princess, they've been dragging Baba Latin though. I no talk oh. Now I was on the platform. I just clicked the update that man, we all know that man on this social media, that was covering, that used to disguise before, that now it's no longer this. He has opened his face now, but before nobody know him. He will just come out and start doing his update. He will update about this, he will update about that. but now he has opened his eyes. I clicked his platform. Look at, even say you to listen to yourself. Even though you believe Iyabo and Princess Own, they are too much, they are mischievous, they are devil. Please, as a professional, not as somebody that like Baba Ijesha, not as somebody that support Baba Ijesha, are you doing the right thing in your explanation? I don't know why you people cannot be, liberal. Do you understand? If you believe Iyabo and Princess Own too much, that does not mean you should not respect them. And anybody that also oppose the motion, why is it that anybody that oppose what human being naturally, what you are supporting, why is it that you disrespected them? Those who supported Baba Ijesha now, my main something is so dangerous for me to support Baba Ijesha because I have only one issue in my life. Ọmọ kan ṣoṣo lọ́lọ́run fi fún mi, obìnrin dẹ̀ ni. Do you understand? Gbogbo nǹkan téèyàn bá ń ṣe lọ́lọ́run rí, obìnrin ni. So ó hard fún mi, whether it's set up or no set up, only God knows what happen. But ó hard fẹ́ mi irú issue bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn láti bọ́ síta fọ́mọ mi ò dẹ̀ tún sí ibi tí mo wà. That my daughter does not live with me. It's hard for me to come out and start saying Baba Ijesha is innocent. Do you understand? That is why I cannot support that motion. Still, I was only praying for, and I did not come out and start updating for Baba Ijesha. Do you understand? My hands are tied. But all that, I'm surprised the way Baba Ijesha has been granted bail. Kí ló dé tá tún fẹ́ máa cause wàhálà? Why do we want to be causing calamity? Do you understand? But why I'm coming out is because of Latin. Because a lot of you just have eyes, you cannot see. Why are you dragging our comedian Latin, who is the president of Tampa? And I'm surprised what you said about a man like you. No matter what actor Yomi Fabi, your Ijesha, or maybe speculation you heard from anywhere, some of you, Tebafe Daleru, you will say it's reliable source. It's not even, if you will update it, you might say it's not even Yomi Fabi, your Baba Ijesha that have been saying it. I hear it from reliable sources. I hear it, all of their lonely, that's how they have been saying it. You now started saying the carcass that Mr. Latin was before. That's how he has issue with Jimmy and Liu, Ashaolu or anything. Now he's in Tampa, no. Meanwhile, when we were told that you have a lot of bad agenda that has not been reviewed. Just because he did not, for your long. Sherry, people, let me first of all brief you something about Mr. Latin. I have studied him from the days of actress Tony Abraham and Lisa Anjorin saga. You will know that anything Mr. Latin do is so much, he cannot handle commotion. He cannot handle controversy. Wallahi, I've noticed him. He's a very fragile person. Easygoing man. People are pushing him to come out. In that time of Lisa Anjorin, he was forced to. He doesn't even know what to say. He was forced. Imagine more that if anybody do video again, because anybody that doesn't have apon, that they are easygoing, and he's Tampa president, and he love fans. That time it was fan that was pushing Mr. Latin. Mr. Latin is somebody that I won't say is addicted to fans, no, but he loves fans so much. He knows their positive effects towards Tampa and towards Nollywood. Not that it's mean. And several controversies have happened also after then that he cannot handle. I can start giving instances that Mr. Latin could not handle. But people will still come out and nail this Mr. Latin. People will come and they are saying, they will tell us on social media that we are coming out in the name of all this Yoruba Nollywood. They are bad, they are this, they don't help their people. In the end, one more bit on law, they know where they are going, they are just diverting. At the end, they will label Mr. Latin. Not because he's the president. Mr. Latin Joe. Ẹni láti kíyèsí ara mi ò mọṣẹ́ tẹ́ fi ń wẹ̀. It's not because, don't think because you are number one that you are being dragged. Ìgbà tẹ́ bá ṣe ìpele yín tán tẹ́ rí pé àwọn ọlọ̀tẹ̀ wọ́n tún ṣì ń drag yín. I'm not saying Àkàndá Wíkókó is ọlọ̀tẹ̀ o. Do you understand? Ẹjọ́ tí wọ́n rò fóun. Do you understand? When I'm saying all this, we have some hidden haters somewhere. Not so if you believe it's because you are number one, that is why you are being dragged. Until when your what did they used to call it, tenure finished, and you still find yourself they still continue dragging you, that is when you will know that something is at hand. And look, Awikoko, I don't like mentioning name. This platform, it will not look at your explanation. An adult, something was put into his drink. Even before this man granted bail, a lot of explanation upon explanation just to make everybody come to support him has been coming. Ìwọ lọ́hùn. Ìgbà tẹ́yin ọkùnrin bá lọ jókòó òṣì sílé ọtí, or tẹ́ lọ sí party, tẹ́ wà lórí ìgò ọkùnrin ẹyọ kan, tẹ́ sì wà lórí bottle ọtí àbí alomo àbí any hot drink jẹ̀dí, tẹ́tí mu 21 bottles lọ tí ò tí rẹ̀ yín mọ̀ gbà yẹn. So somebody like that, when many of you are alcoholic, you are into alcohol, you can drink anything, 40 bottles, you guys never rest. But this one now, we have heard a lot of explanation. It was set up. Now it's not a set up again. His drink was actually drug. Then that is what makes his body to be moved. Sherry, explanation, yeah, that's your analysis. Is an unprofessional analysis. Àwọn tó ti ń ṣe òṣì látijọ́ ìtàṣírí wọn ò tú. Torí pàṣírí wọn ò tú tó ti ń abuse ọmọ ọlọ́mọ. Those who have been to such situation that has been molesting the innocent, that it has not been opened, that they have not been revealed, as in they were not caught. You did not say those ones were actually drugged, though, that they drugged their drink. And you know, even if you don't have a female child, look at your explanation. As a man, do you need to be drugged before your body start doing like this? That is what is. Sherry, why can't we just forget this matter? That's your update. It's even better to do vote of thanks, and you now begin to label people upon label. You said it yourself now. That kò sẹ́ńtì díẹ̀ mọ́, tí ó bá sẹ́ńtì díẹ̀ mọ́, why are you trying to insult Nollywood and at the end we now understand that you are trying to drag Baba Ijesha? If anybody is even telling you something in Nollywood that this is what all these people used to do, you as a professional, you are not supposed to come and say it. You are not supposed to come and say it out. You will just say your own mind, not adding what you have with the speculations here and there. You just say your mind that but Nollywood, oh girl. You shouldn't have really. Do you understand? And many times when we are in situations, the people we expected most, when they are not there for us, that does not mean they are haters, and that does not mean they are jealous of you. We have a lot of critical situations by neighbors, by family, that I just stay on my own. Nobody hear anything from me, whether I'm in support or I'm against. That does not mean my heart is not clean towards the person. Most thing I do, I'm led. Or you don't know, maybe the person is waiting. Bóyá òun náà ní tiẹ̀ tó ń bá fà á. Tọ́dẹ̀ ti sọ fún pé ìgbélé lọ̀rọ̀ yín jẹ mọ́. Don't talk to anybody for now. Just go and isolate yourself. You don't know whether that person too is going one thing or the other. I told most of us. But ọlọ́gbọ́n nìkan lọ̀rọ̀ mi léwe. I'm dealing with a lot of things. I won't come and start forming for you on social media. Mo sọ fún yín, tèmi ń bá mi, tèmi wà lára mi tí mo ń bẹ Ọlọ́run ti ayé mi. But if they are shouting hey somewhere, and you know that these people are personal person of anger, Dideolu, why we didn't see her? Does that mean pé mo ní ẹni yẹn sínú àbí mo mọ̀ pé I'm thinking that Ọlọ́run ló mú? We all know the society nowadays. Do you understand? And to back, consent over. That is why I used to tell my own loved one, be careful out there, so that when it happens, you start shouting my name. That Lagbajo oti ewa wo mi, you didn't come to see me. Àwa ni ká máa ṣọ́ra. Prevention is better than cure. Not that it should not happen. You now say anyway. I trust so it will be there, it will come now. You will not see the person, you will not try to be. using that as an excuse for your own misfortune. I love you guys. I gotta go. Share, 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 share.